Are you struggling with bed bugs? Do these tiny, blood-sucking creatures rob you of your peace? Well, it's time to turn the tables on these pesky intruders. Today, we delve into a step-by-step guide on how to reclaim your home from bed bugs. First things first, we need to confirm the enemy. Bed bugs are small, oval, brownish insects that feed on the blood of animals or humans. They usually hide in mattresses, bed frames, headboards, and other close spaces. If you notice dark spots, eggshells, or shed skins in these areas, you're dealing with bed bugs. Now that we've identified the culprit, the first step in our battle plan is to clean up the infested areas. Strip your bed, gather all your linen, curtains, and clothes, and wash them in hot water. This will kill any bed bugs or eggs hiding in your fabrics. The second step is to vacuum everything. Vacuum your bed, your furniture, your carpets, even your curtains. Be thorough, bed bugs are crafty hiders. Once you're done, seal up the vacuum bag and dispose of it outside your home. Next, it's time to wage chemical warfare. Use a bed bug spray on all the areas where bed bugs could be hiding. This includes your bed, furniture, rugs, and other nooks and crannies. Remember, always read and follow the label instructions when using pesticides. If the infestation is severe, it might be time to call in the big guns. A professional pest control service will have the tools and knowledge to effectively wipe out the bed bugs. Finally, prevention is better than cure. Check secondhand furniture for any signs of bed bugs before bringing it into your home. Use a protective cover that encases mattresses and box springs, which eliminates many hiding spots. Also, reduce clutter in your home to reduce hiding places for bed bugs. So, to summarize, bed bugs might be tough, but they're not unbeatable. With determination, vigilance, and the right approach, you can reclaim your home from these unwanted guests. Remember, a bedbug-free home is a happy home.